Hello. Look what Max got me. Tiger Woods hat for Mother's Day. I love it. I requested it. And he got it. I just love Tiger. Anywho, quick, easy morning treat for your family. Yeah, you could buy them already pre-done and cut them up and throw them in the oven. But if Crescent rolls are on sale for 99 cents a tube, why not whip up some fresh for the fam, nice and warm and ooey gooey. So I'm gonna bend you down. First, give me my drink. Give me my drink in the trusty pink cup. Guys, Sprite with watermelon vodka. Drink for the summer. Diet Sprite or soda water if you don't like it too sweet. It's tasty. So anyway, look. Wait till you see how easy. You're not going to believe this. I mean, literally, lickety split. So, filling. All it is a half a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons, oh, that's a half, 2 teaspoons of Mama's Copper, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. 2, 3. So my first ones were heaping, guys. I mean heaping. Yeah, I got the shorts on. Sexiness going on there. Stir. You want to make sure it's really good. Stirred up. I could have probably put this in a bigger bowl, right? So this is just brown sugar and cinnamon. That's all you need. If you're making a homemade crescent roll, obviously you have lots of butter on the dough and stuff. But it's already in the crescent roll. Right? No need. You just make sure it's all incorporated, okay? And here comes Keith. So, I'll just keep filming and pretend that I didn't hear him walk in. So anywho. Hi, Keith!
Hi.
Bye, Keith!
Hi.
Okay, guys. Crescent rolls. They're not Pillsbury. Fuck Pillsbury. They're $2.79. These are only a fucking $1. So, they're you think freaking Tops, my local supermarket, has a freaking crescent roll factory? No. No, they do not. And either does your Meijer or your Stop and Shop or whatever. But Pillsbury makes them and then they label them with off-brands. So, guys, you get eight crescent rolls. Open this bad boy up. Where's the seam? Here it is. Okay. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4. You're not going to believe how easy this is. Put them up. I like to put them like this. And then I put them all out. So they're all ready for me. Okay. Get these 4 ready. And then once you scoopy scoop and rolly roll, you're done. Pop them in the oven. 375 degree oven. It's that simple. Look at this. Okay, gonna put it all over it, okay? Over the entire crescent roll. It'll make a little bit of a mess, so make sure it's, you know. Look at this. How easy is this, right? Look at that. Done. Roll, like you would your crescents. Put them on your tray, seam side down, okay? Look at this. Beautiful, right? That one's a little messy, okay? Rolly. Come on, you can do it. Guys, they're going to be ooey gooey cinnamony. And as soon as I'm done rolling these and popping them in the oven, we're going to make the glaze that you sprinkle on top. Okay? Look. Come on. Guys, I'm going to do other videos because you know what? You can use so many different toppings doing it the exact same way. You want to make a little jelly donut one? Look at that. Getting rid of it. Coming over here. You need tablespoon. This is a half a cup of cream. Okay? Just popping these in. Okay? And they're done. Here's the glaze. with that cream or milk. You want to flavor your glaze, go right ahead. If 1 tablespoon isn't enough, you'll know. Don't overdo it. Okay. Stuff's in the oven. So far we got 2. And now I'm going to put 3. Okay. And this is going to be the glaze. Right? Look at that. It was a 1/2 cup. And look, look, look. Nice glaze. Beautiful when these are cooking. Oh, guys, I could eat that. Couldn't you eat that? I could eat that. Okay, when I take the cinnamon rolls out of the oven, I'll turn you back on. We'll glaze them together and have a little taste. Let's see. Be right back. Stay tuned. Don't go away for fuck's sake. Bye. I'm back, guys. Oh, crescent rolls are done. They look delish. Okay, where's my oven mitt? Oh my God. I want you to be able to see. Look. Look at the bottoms. Golden brown. Deliciousness. Ooh, they're gonna be so hot. Okay, so this is what we do. So you can just see real quick. I'll put one on a plate. So you can do it yourself at home. All right, hang on, look. Okay. I'll move this over. I'll put this here so you can see. And here's our stuff, guys. Look, remember? All right. If you're using heavy cream, guys, it tends to seize up quick. So if you're not going to, I would wait to stir this up. Look how easy this is. I would wait to make this until you're right about to bring it out of the oven. Otherwise, you're going to have to add a little more liquid. Okay? So it was that simple. I mean, come on. They took me literally like 3 or 4 minutes to put together and 8 minutes in the oven. Look. I mean, come on. Who wouldn't want? Oh, they're hot. Ready? I'm going in for the taste. Ready? And then look what you do. Scoopy scoop. Some more of that fabulous icing. Guys, really? So simple. So easy to do for your family. Make them up. Put Nutella, some jelly. Ooh, I shouldn't have told you my tricks. Because then I could do another video. You know, same shit, different day. Or different day, same shit. You know, whatever it is, it is. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please hit your bell so you don't miss out on any future notifications or live streams for new uploads. Don't forget, contest is still going. And have a fabulous day. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.